Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make curry aloo. Start by prepping potatoes, washing and cutting them into even pieces so they cook uniformly. Next, gather spices like cumin, turmeric, coriander, and chili and measure them out. Heat oil, toast whole spices, then add aromatics like onion, garlic, and ginger. Add tomatoes and cooked potatoes, simmer until flavors meld, adjust salt, and finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Prep sets the stage for an easy curry aloo. Wash and cut potatoes into even pieces so they cook at the same rate. Mince garlic and ginger and chop onion into small pieces for a smooth base. Measure spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander to avoid overly spicy or bland results. Keep a cup of water or broth nearby for simmering. This organization speeds cooking and improves the final texture and flavor. Cooking technique makes curry aloo shine. Toasting whole spices in oil releases essential oils for a fragrant base. Slowly sauté onions until soft and golden to add natural sweetness and depth. Add ground spices, then tomatoes and potatoes, stirring to coat each piece. Cover and simmer gently so potatoes become tender without collapsing. Stir occasionally, adjust liquid for desired consistency, and finish with chopped cilantro and a splash of lemon or lime juice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.